Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the details you need before making a purchase. Today, we're looking at the Amazon Basics heavy-duty commercial upright bagged vacuum. This vacuum is designed for some serious cleaning, whether you're tackling the dirt and debris in a high-traffic home or running a business. It's built to withstand heavy-duty use, but does it hold up in everyday situations? Let's dive into what this vacuum has to offer. First off, this upright vacuum is all about power and efficiency. With its commercial-grade construction, it promises to handle both tough jobs and regular cleanups without skipping a beat. It's got a powerful suction that pulls dirt and debris directly into an attached bag, making disposal cleaner and more convenient than ever. The fact that it uses a bag system is a bit of a throwback in a world that's increasingly going bagless. But for certain users, it's actually a bonus, especially for those who prefer the ease of sealing off dust and allergens when it's time to empty the vacuum. In terms of performance, this vacuum works on both carpets and hard floors. If you've got a mixed flooring setup in your home or office, this one will switch seamlessly between the two. That's thanks to its versatile brush roll and suction power that adjusts depending on the surface you're cleaning. But let's be honest, one of the key things people look for in a vacuum is its suction power, and the Amazon Basics vacuum delivers here. Whether you're cleaning up a fine dusting or lifting heavy debris, it gets the job done without needing multiple passes. Now, you might be wondering about the weight. At just under 10 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for a commercial-grade vacuum. This makes it easier to maneuver around furniture and move up and down stairs, something that's not always the case with these bulkier industrial models. It also sports a design that's easy to assemble, so if you're looking to get cleaning right away, you won't have to spend time fiddling with complicated setups. Noise levels are always a concern with powerful vacuums, but this one isn't too bad. It's not the quietest option on the market, but considering the suction power it offers, it's pretty average when it comes to sound. If you're sensitive to noise, it might be something to keep in mind, especially in quieter environments like small offices or late-night cleaning sessions at home. When it comes to maintenance, the bagged system means you won't have to worry about dealing with filters all the time. You just remove and replace the bag when it's full, which makes this vacuum pretty low maintenance. That said, the bags can fill up quickly if you're tackling large areas or messy environments, so it's worth keeping a stock of bags handy. The vacuum also features a simple-to-clean brush roll that's great for catching pet hair and longer strands. But like with most models, you'll want to check it regularly to avoid tangling. During real-world testing, we tried it out on both carpeted floors and hard surfaces. On carpet, it had no trouble picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair, even from deeper fibers. The brush roll works well to agitate the carpet, pulling debris from the base to the surface for easy collection. On hard floors, it glides smoothly, and the suction is strong enough to handle even fine dust. However, the bagged system does mean you'll occasionally need to be more mindful of how full the bag is. Too much buildup, and you may notice some loss in suction power. But not everything about this vacuum is perfect. While it handles most tasks well, it's not the most compact model out there. If storage space is tight, you may find it a bit bulky, especially if you're working with smaller closets or spaces. Also, while it's easy to use for most cleaning jobs, the bag can sometimes be a bit tricky to remove and replace, particularly when it's really full. When it comes to value for money, the Amazon Basics heavy-duty commercial upright vacuum is definitely in the mid-range. It's priced affordably for a commercial-grade machine, which makes it a great option if you need something reliable but don't want to shell out for high-end brands. Its build quality is solid, and it's built to last in busy environments. But if you're a homeowner looking for something that's more focused on the residential market, you might find other bagged vacuums with more convenient features like larger capacity or more flexible attachments. Now, let's quickly compare this model to a couple of its competitors. The Shark Navigator Liftaway is a popular upright that also tackles both carpets and hard floors, but it's more versatile with its detachable canister for portable cleaning. The Bissell CleanView is another strong competitor, offering a similar price point, but with a multi-cyclonic system to maintain suction and a larger dustbin. The Amazon Basics vacuum might not have all the bells and whistles of these models, but its reliable suction, simple maintenance, and commercial-grade build quality make it a solid choice for businesses or homes that need a dependable, no-fuss machine. In terms of build quality, this vacuum feels solid in the hand. The construction is straightforward and durable, designed for heavy-duty use without sacrificing ease of handling. The materials used are sturdy, and the assembly of parts like the handle and hose feels secure. It's a good balance of function and durability, perhaps, though you'll still want to maintain it with regular bag changes and brush roll checks to ensure longevity. If you've ever had to deal with a vacuum losing suction power or falling apart after heavy use, you'll appreciate the reliability this model offers. The design is straightforward, with a focus on practicality and ease of use. While the brush roll might get tangled with pet hair or long hair, it's easy to clean, and there's no need for advanced tools or equipment to keep things running smoothly. For customer support, Amazon's service is generally well regarded, and this model is no exception. If you run into any issues with the vacuum, Amazon's customer service team is responsive and typically able to assist with warranty claims, part replacements, or troubleshooting. Just make sure to keep your receipts for warranty purposes. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics heavy-duty commercial upright bagged vacuum is a solid performer for anyone needing a tough, reliable machine for high-traffic areas. Whether you're cleaning a busy office, a multi-story home, or just looking for something that can handle bigger jobs, it does the job without breaking the bank. It's not the most feature-packed model, but for those who need a dependable, straightforward vacuum, this one delivers good value for the price. If you're interested in getting this vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV, and as always, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions about the vacuum in the comments. Goodbye till next time, and don't forget, the cleaner your space, the clearer your mind.